Sir, kamusta sir yung pakikipag-usap po natin kay Mr. Alcantara?
First part pa lang yun eh. We have to see him again within the week to finalize everything. Pero we did good work today. Meron kami mga inayos na dokumento. Nakasabit kami sa AMLAC ng mga dokumentong kinakailangan para mag-freeze sila ng mga bank accounts.
Sir, did he commit on returning yung kanyang
Yes, we haven't gotten to the bottom of everything yet. Pero ando naman, the gesture for restitution is there.
Sir, may iba pa raw ba siyang sasabihin? May iba pang, kumbaga...
We have to prepare the questions that we want him to answer. Kasi dapat mag-homework din kami based on his statement and our research on what other things we need to know from him.
Sir, 2022 lang ba nagsimula talaga yung lahat po nung nangyari?
Yung sa kanya lang. Kasi he became, yung sa kanya statement kasi, nung nag-umpisa ang mga controversy na yan, 2022, when he was DE of Malolos. But we will get other statements from the past, kung saan, tsaka yung forward-looking. Pero yung past, yun ang ating ina-examine pa.
Sir, may tinitingnan po ba yung DOJ na iba pang pwedeng maging witness?
Yes, isa-isa yan. Some people, sabi ko sa inyo, will be very busy for the next few days. At tama kami. Yan, we will have to vet another one because we got a letter from a lawyer asking that we also consider Bryce Hernandez as a state witness. A letter from a lawyer yan. Sino? Hindi, I cannot comment on that yet. Hindi pa pwede. We have to vet everything before we make any comments or before we make decisions.
Kailan po siya babalik dito, sir? Kailan po babalik para harapin?
Hopefully by Friday. Kasi pupunta kami ng sa ICI ako bukas eh. I'll have to go to the ICI. So, tuloy-tuloy ito. So we just keep on working.
Pero sir, nandito po yung mga Diskaya bukas.
Friday.
Friday.
Malamang Thursday. Tomorrow, Thursday or Friday. Baka Friday na. Para pagka wala na sa ICI.
Kailan sir possible ma-announce yung inclusion nila sa WB?
Matagal pa yan. Marami pa tayong i-consider. We have to vet it properly kasi ano yan eh. Kailangan himayin natin yung buong yung buong problema bago tayo mamili talaga ng maayos na testigo sa lahat ng kinakailangan.
Sir, sa process po from ICI, yung kanilang investigation, yung result, ipapahal po ba sa DOJ or hanggang sa court?
Hindi, when the ICI turns over to us or to the Ombudsman's office, then things will start rolling. Siyempre sila masa-certify as to the facts that they obtain. Okay?
Sir, saan po ba yung sinasabi ng DPWH na gusto mangyayari?
Yung sinabi ko kahapon.